We're cooking sinigang here, or soup. It's a Filipino soup, and we use pork hock or pata, and we use sampalok or tamarind mix as a souring agent. We could also use calamansi, Philippine lime, but I prefer the sampalok or tamarind. And right now, Dad is preparing the vegetables that we're going to use. We have horseradish here, or labanos. We have long beans or sitaw, and carrots. And we also have squash flowers. Flower is bulaklak.
Bulaklak is flower.
And we have eggplant. It's already prepared. And just want to show you some other vegetables that we have here. We're not gonna use them on the soup, on sinigang, but just want to show you okra. This is slimy. This is a slimy vegetable. And green beans, we call this bah-gi-yow beans. And we still have more eggplants in there, and there's half of squash. We call it kalabasa. Kalabasa, that's squash. And here we have the jute leaves. We call it saluyot. That's saluyot. And first, bitter melon leaves. We cook both the leaves and the fruits. We call it ampalaya. Is there some moringa there? We're out of moringa. That's bitter melon, and just want to show you blanca fruits. That's gonna be the next video. Hi, Uzi. Ay, naku! Tinitingnan niya ang mama. Vegetables there. This is Taro. And while Dad is preparing the vegetables, let's go outside and look at the plants. The vegetables. We have some vegetables in there. And here's spinach here. We also call it spinach. And look at the kalunay here. Kalunay plants. Oh, and look at that eggplant or talong. Eggplant or talong. And here is taro, or we call it gabi. Taro or gabi. And there's more kalunay here. And here's the squash where Mom got the flowers. Kalabasa. That's kalabasa. And here's lemongrass here. We call it tanglad. It's not vegetables. It's a herb, but still, maybe just include it on the video. We call it tanglad. And here's bah-gi-yow here, or hyacinth beans. And this one right here is the chayote, or sayote, also known as pear squash. Just want to show you a young, wow, look at that, triplets. Those are young sayote, young fruits. And this one right here is patani, or lima beans. Lima beans or patani. And look, there's a young bitter melon here, sharing the spot with a bell pepper. We're back here inside the house, and we're going to review the Tagalog words we've used, like the vegetables. But first, I'm just gonna go and put back this radish in the fridge that didn't use it. He used half of the other radish, or labanos. Okay, let's start. Radish is labanos. Bitter melon is ampalaya. Taro is gabi. Jute mallows is saluyot. Squash, we call it kalabasa. Chayote or pear squash is sayote. And hyacinth bean, we call it bah-gi-yow. Lima beans is patani. Long beans is sitaw. Eggplant is talong. These are all the vegetables that we have on the fridge and outside in the garden. And for those vegetables that we don't have, here's the Tagalog words for that. Chinese cabbage or bok choy, we call it pechay. Pechay. Sigarilyas is wing bean or wing beans. Cabbage is repolyo. Moringa, we call it malunggay. Malunggay. And sponge gourd is patola. Plus battle gourd is upo. Also, if you're interested to see, if you want to see some of these vegetables, you could, I'm gonna put a link on the video, or you can click on show more and find the link in there for all the vegetables that you can find, or vegetables that are growing in the Philippines. Bye bye.